Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna do a review for Yitamotor, and they are special in like a couple of stuff like light bars, flooded light, Jeep accessory, and I work with a towing company and I need this stuff all the time, especially in the night when I do an accident. We're gonna open the box and we're gonna see our new light for my new truck, and we're gonna install them and see them together. Let's open it. This is the harness for these two flooded light, and this is the bracket for these two small ones, and this is the other harness, and this is the mount for the LED bar. Now I'm gonna see in a good way how the light is nice. I hope. Okay, let's go and install them together and see how the light gonna go. finally the light is installed. It took me a little bit just because I'm working in a tow truck, but they're good. They work nice with me. I can see now, and really they are bright. Use the relay. Really, the relay will make it different. Like, I used a different wiring system in the back of the tow truck because I already have a wiring system there. I took the old one, throw them away, and put the new one. But they are nice and easy, and they're bright. They are good light. Like, for someone like me, working at the night, doing accident, they are good. I can literally see now in a better way than the oldie. And this one gonna be the next one. We're gonna take them out and throw them away. That's with the same stuff we change with the LED. LED will work more better than this stuff. And really they were on a nice price. Most of the LED light is expensive, $500, $400. It was on a good price. And if you want to take a look for them, you can visit them in Amazon and take a look for the link. We're gonna put it here. Just go there, take a look. They have a lot of good stuff. We're ordering another light. I'm gonna replace these two lights. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to drop a comment below. And have a wonderful night or have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. Thank you.